In a significant development highlighting concerns over transparency in government recruitment processes, Reachingson Siangshai of East Jaintia Hills on Wednesday filed a first appeal with the Deputy Commissioner's office. The appeal was submitted in response to what he described as an unsatisfactory and inadequate reply from the Public Information Officer or PIO concerning appointments made by the District Selection Committee. Siangshai arrived at the DC's office at around 11 a.m. to formally submit his appeal under the Right to Information Act. However, he was unable to meet the DC, the designated first appellate authority, as the officer was reportedly unavailable. Speaking to reporters, Siangshai expressed deep frustration, alleging that both the Deputy Commissioner and the PIO have been frequently absent from their offices in recent weeks. Describing the situation as one of disregard and negligence, he criticized the conduct of the DC office staff, stating that their failure to engage with citizens has eroded trust in the institution. Reachingson Siangshai further warned that he is prepared to escalate the matter to higher authorities if necessary. He also said that this step was not only in pursuit of information but also a stand against what he termed as the lack of accountability in the administration's handling of RTI queries.
Kabay day bat ka RTI ka balay akan ka office kabangala bo ladok lan haway tarik Julai arjara porsan ya katay ka RTI ka la persang mani kendo yo PAO anak ni port baladep and re unjudon hang office te kala long yang ka ban final da ka first appeal halor katay ka RTI ba lai shau first appellate authority te henry hakajing wan jang hang ni office kumba na khadwei baje te nadok khadwei baje haduk menta kabalong duna ar baje UDC undon resane namar UDC udai first appellate authority tengala bo ya kani ka first appeal jong halal ka third RTI makat bom don DC ngala bo ka general branch ba kila receive no ya ka ni ka first appeal ke jonga te abai dai bat ka kontrekam hapo ka office jong DC hang ne kumbangala kana lamba kila ka thai ku bor supai ba hoi ngala dep thok sha kumba khat artli ki sen bhalang ki badon hapo district ke jongi te kirul kila pentip sanga ba snaban aipor yang i ban ya chong perkhat khana makin ya ban le ya ke badon kam tengah information kampat biang re hak to ke i jonga te ka dining assistant kala pentip bang kendo PAO ngala perchang ban ya kendo i kumba duna arte yo henry unjudon ha office te ya ketu ke pisah kadang don hanga te hak appeal jonga ru ngala thok so first appellate iti ban exempt yang anak kata kajing siu nama katkam kekendon section 76 jongga RTI Act lada UPIO umla menjubab yang ngalani ayang aya kecoba papola first new ngakum nawar RTI ngadon ya kahok ban pan exemption nakataka fees ba kita ngan ada kapor te katkam kekendon ay ngan body kendon ay ngan menlek bat ya next step ban lecha state level pad ya kani ke bental ladang yo jubab akapor kebabiang na first appellate authority Song hak respon jang kila dan respon ngan le sudah haya terti lada ke respon ngan pe ka kumno ki respon lada kumno don ke jing thut lan don bombiang dengan jakut kam ki kendon an yang ka RTI Act bat kiwi roki an habe debat kan deka kam